Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 7739 Monroe. This thing keeps backing up on them. So it's happened about 4 times this year alone. Every 3 months it backs up or something. For a couple months. So I got my camera out here. I'm going to go ahead and put my camera in here and show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Alright, here we are going towards the house. See, there's a bunch of buildup. Big roots right there, big root ball growing in there. I'm going to go ahead and try and cable this. I'll be back. Alright, so I went ahead and cabled this line out. I went into the house with a 3-inch cutter and cleaned out the cast iron all the way to the stack, and then I went back in and cleaned up the transition with a 4-inch cutter, and then ran it out to the main with a 4-inch cutter. So I got some water running now, but we're going to go ahead and push back towards the house and see what it looks like. We'll be right back. Alright, so I got the camera ran towards the house. Here we are at the bottom of the stack in the basement there, here in the 4-inch cast iron. I'm going to go ahead and pull back and show you what this line looks like. It looks like there might be a little bit of roots growing in there. Going back to show you what the rest of this line looks like. Small amount of roots growing in there too. Some cobwebs hanging down there. We got a Y right here. We got the either floor drain or washer or kitchen sink lines. Probably wine in there. So here we are at the transition. This is where it comes to 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay pipe out here. As you see, we do have some heavy roots growing in the side there. Like I said, I ran a 4-inch cutter through there. Guess I wasn't able to get them out. Go ahead and locate and mark where this is at. I'll be right back. I located this spot by the front porch there. I'd say it's 10 feet deep. Right there at the stairs on the front porch. Keep pulling back to show you what the rest of this line looks like. So here we are at the trap. We'll go ahead and pull back out to the main real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out to the main here, about almost 50 feet. He's dropping down, diving and turning into the main there. Everything out here looked pretty good when I was going in. I didn't see anything, any roots or anything. A small amount of root there that I cut up. It will flush out here shortly. Got a little bit of water settling at the bottom, but nothing bad. A little slight little belly in it. Just nothing bad though. It does drain, runs fine. we are at the trap. So everything out that way looks good. I'm going to run back in. I'm going to try and run a 5-inch cutter in there. See if I can't cut them roots out real good. Be right back. Alright, so I was able to get a 5-inch cutter to this clean out here. Here we are back at the transition because 4-inch cast and a 6-inch clay pipe. And right here, there's a bunch of roots. As you see, we have successfully cleaned them all out. They're all gone. So it should be good to go for some time now. Yep, so they're all good to go now. That's what you got. Thank you.